What's your name and the name? Oh, you ready? Yeah. Okay. What's your name and the name of your business?
My name is Andreas Walter. I actually go by a pen name, which is Andek Valtini.
Beautiful. And what did you learn that you can apply?
Oh, lots of things. I love the opportunity. It is really like a new era is starting, and I'm in the beginning of it, and learning those things which are kind of on my avenue, like if it is copywriting, if it is AI, if it is selling, branding yourself and helping the community. That's kind of priceless, and that's good.
Very cool. And what was the biggest takeaway?
Please repeat the biggest.
Biggest takeaway, like biggest thing, like wow moment, or you can say, what did you think of the speaker?
The biggest takeaway or the biggest moment is to see all those people who are kind of like me. They have the same kind of wavelength ideas and wanting to help, being out there. And it's not just, oh, I want to make this money. It's not just, oh, competition. And it's like, okay, here we have something, we can help the community, we can grow, and as a side product, we can become wealthy. It's like, wow.
It's beautiful.
I dreamed that for years, and I never had a chance to be even in that vicinity or be with people like that. And it's like, suddenly it's like right in front of me.
Thank you. And do you think other people should come and attend this group and these workshops and the events?
Absolutely. If they are open-minded, if they think for themselves, if they want to look ahead and thrive, ask themselves, that's the place.